सर इधर
एक्सक्यूज मी, पीछे पीछे पीछे
बात पीछे आओ ना।
चले जाओ, रुक जाओ यार, पीछे जाओ।
सर सामने
फोकस पता नहीं समझ रहा है, लाइटिंग लगी रहा।
Every woman I meet, but mother and wife would be right up there. Yeah. सच बताऊं तो मेरे लिए बिल्कुल नहीं, लेकिन सबको जानता हूं तो बुलाते हैं तो मैं आ जाता हूं। मैं मैगजीन नहीं पढ़ता।
I think this way, Farah.
मैडम जी इधर, मैडम इधर।
सर स्ट्रेट है सर, सर सामने, सर सामने देखिए, सामने सही है
सर यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे।
सर, यहाँ पे सही है सर। थैंक यू।
Hi, any questions? When you going to see? So no. Earlier I used to struggle between making films in Hyderabad, making films in Bombay. Now post Bahubali, post Ghazi, we're sitting in Hyderabad and making Hindi films. So we're just sending films up here. So I'll be out to summer. I'll be out to Diwali next year. Lots of things. Sir. So, well, my life, obviously, my mother will be the most important one. And, well, about the award, about this ceremony, one is quite honored to come here. And, I usually I'm never around in any of these events, but it was a lovely event that was put together for women. It's something we haven't seen too many of these, and I think it's right now the voice of women which needs to be heard well. And congratulations to Vogue. Sir, what? I don't know that yet. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Well, to all the women in our life, Diwali. I don't know if that came out right. Did it? No. Thanks. Thank you.
Very soon. I'm not allowed to reveal it right now, but very soon, for sure. You liked it? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm glad you liked it. Hello everyone. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Have lots and lots and lots of fun. Eat a lot of sweets and stay away from crackers, please. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi guys. Yes. About? Yes. I mean, congratulations to all the winners. It's great. It's a good opportunity to, love each other, show respect for each other. It's a great platform. So I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
I'm wearing Nikita Tandon. This is my debut at Vogue Awards, so I'm very, very, very excited. I think it's an amazing concept that in today's time everything we're talking about is empowering women, and it's not just empowering them; it's celebrating them. So I think it's a very, very good thing that it is something like this is happening. Thank you.
Dolce and Gabbana, and thrilled to be here tonight, and look forward to the evening. It's fabulous, and it's great that the Serum Institute is yet again on board, and really looking forward to this, and so happy to be a part of it. Thank you. Yes, I've just had a release called Cheater Mohan, which is my own. And then I've had another Rajasthani song with Meet Brothers. In fact, today, I don't know if you've heard, I've taken out Chhod Diya from Bazaar, which is composed by me, sung by Arijit. It's just come out today. So guys, please go and watch it. And happy Diwali to everybody, to all my fans, to all the viewers over here. Thank you so much for supporting my music. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I think it's always exciting to be a part of one of the Vogue events because it is the ultimate magazine, and I think Vogue is one of the coolest magazines out there, and when they put on something like this and they come up with something like Women of the Year, then there's a lot of credibility attached to it. So it's always lovely. The entire team has always been lovely and warm. So yeah, I'm looking forward to an amazing evening. Absolutely, wishing all the viewers a very happy and a safe Diwali. Hope you're spending it with your family and your loved ones. I hope मैं आ जाती हूँ. I think we worked really hard hoping that day happens. अब तक हुआ नहीं है, so I hope soon I'll keep working harder and then I get that special call one day. Thank you.
Yes? Hi. I hope they have many, many years more ahead of them for this event. Yeah. Sorry? How does it take or what does it take? I have no idea. But I'm sure they see something special in each woman, and which is why they are able to pick out women from different fields. So there must be some quality that they recognize
I guess we're all kind of achievers in our own fields, sometimes even at home, and it's important to recognize that. Yes, I wish all of you a very, very happy Diwali, brightness, bliss, and happiness to everybody. Yeah? Okay, thank you. Yeah?
Hi, thank you. Well, this is my first time, so I'm very, very excited. I cannot wait to go in and meet everybody, and I've heard along with it being Woman of the Year, the entire show is very entertaining, so I'm really looking forward to going inside. Pardon me? My mother, yeah. My mother, all my teachers, my dance teacher. So there are many, my friends whom I look up to. All my girlfriends, they're very important. Yeah. Wish you all a very, very happy and prosperous Diwali. Be safe. May your life be joyous always. Thank you. नहीं कोई है नहीं रखने के लिए व्रत. Thank you.
क्या करूं भैया Right. I think it's amazing. I mean, I think every day should be a day to celebrate women. But it's really nice that we can get together here, and all the individuals that are achieving so much, to come together to celebrate them, to award them, reward them. I think is fantastic. Which is an important moment in my life. Wow. I think career-wise was, of course, when I started in the movies was the release of Rang De Basanti. Personally, my marriage, I think that was great. That was an important moment. Thank you. Thank you so much.
you have any questions for us? Who are the most important women in my life? Well, she's standing right next to me. And other than my mother and my sister, and yeah, but this is the one. On awarding the Woman of the Year, of course, women should be celebrated, and who better than Vogue to do it? Yes, a very happy Diwali to everyone, and a very happy New Year from the both of us. You want to say something? Thank you.
Yes. यार 11th ईयर है वोक का, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यार, और इट्स ग्रेट ओकेजन, और यार लोगों को फिल्म बहुत पसंद आई, लोगों का बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है, इंडस्ट्री से इतना प्यार मिल रहा है, बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स बात कर रहे हैं फिल्म की, लोग बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यार। थैंक यू।
You're asking? Yes. Thank you. It's she's called Caroline Babawi. She's a Lebanese designer from Beirut. So I'm experimenting with designers from different parts of the world. You're going to see me in Turam Khan next year with Raj Kumar Rao and Hansalji directing. I know. Happy Diwali, yeah. All the viewers, wish you really, really happy Diwali. I love candles, so please light up your house with nice candles and diyas and have a fun and safe Diwali. That you will have to wait to hear. I'm so sorry, I'm very correct here in life. What to do? I won't do it. Alright, see you guys.
Hi. So I'm wearing Amar Halim. He's an international designer, and just wearing myself and my smile today. I think it's really cool that Vogue Women of the Year is having a second edition, and hopefully it'll have 200 of them. And I think currently, with the whole situation changing and the pendulum shifting towards equality for women, I think it's a great initiative. Thank you.
Hi. मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हूँ और ऐसा अवार्ड्स में आना काफ़ी कम होता है और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है कि आज थोड़ा सा कुछ अलग स्पोर्ट्स सेट के हो रहा है. थैंक यू.
Yes. Is there a question? Do we have to say anything? So I'm wearing Demi tonight, and I'm really looking forward to the awards. Well, I'd say the most important women, it always starts with your mom, you know, because she makes you who you are, and I'd say my mom. Thank you.
Yes, hello. Sorry? Thank you so much. Tell you something, I can't really hear you too well. Oh, my thought. I think it's amazing. It's lovely to be present here, obviously. In a way, I sort of started my career with Vogue, so it's always special to come back. And it always feels nice when you're celebrating a woman, right? So yeah, it's lovely to be here. I'm wearing a custom-made dress that my stylist has made for me. And I think it's absolutely lovely. I'll get the details. Next time I'll actually get all the details, but it's beautiful. Thank you. Pardon? The most pivotal? My mother. The most influential, the most aspirational. I aspire to be as strong as she is and as amazing as she is. She's my quintessential superwoman, I think. Yes, of course. A very, very happy Diwali to everybody. I'd prefer a very quiet Diwali for our lovely little four-legged friends, and some of them are three-legged. But yeah, wish everyone a very, very happy Diwali. Was an issue there? No? Okay. One more. Yeah, wish everyone a very, very happy Diwali and hopefully a noise-free Diwali as well. Yes. Yes. I'm happy for both of them, yeah. I can't choose. I don't think I'll be in town when they're getting married. I'm actually going to be away from here. But I wish them all the very best. I think it's lovely. It's like, somebody was saying, it's like wedding fever. And I think it's lovely. It's so nice to see people just happy and in love and celebrating it. So nothing but the best wishes for both of them. Yeah. Thank you.
मैं एडजस्ट कर सकती हूँ उनका ड्रेस एक सेकेंड
Thank you.
Yeah. See, Vogue has always been special because I did my first photo shoot with Vogue, and I also received my first ever award from Vogue, and they've always been so sweet and encouraging. So I'm really happy to be here, and I'm excited to see how the night goes.
I mean, I'm as excited, if not more. This is my first association with Vogue, and I'm truly privileged to be here for Vogue Women of the Year Awards. and I'm looking forward to the night ahead. I think the category that we're announcing is very exciting for us, and it's a very respectable category of women. So I'm very happy to be here. Most important woman in my life, my mother.
Same.
Oh. I am. Are you? No, it's gonna be super fun, man. I'm very excited. Yeah, I am, and it's my first crack at that hamper, so I'm locked horns. I'm ready for it. Sorry? I mean, I've been like, aren't you? Every audience member who's been watching that show is born ready to win that hamper. Who doesn't want that hamper?
On Coffee with मैंने Coffee with का शूट कर लिया लेकिन अच्छा जी मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ पता नहीं
Oh yeah.
Happy Diwali everyone. Don't burst firecrackers because it's pollution and we should not pollute but have fun and yeah enjoy. अच्छा वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ था साथ में करें हाँ रेडी आप सबको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं
और मेरी तरफ से भी
प्लीज क्रैकर्स मत बर्स्ट कीजिए क्योंकि पोल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है लेकिन हैप्पी दिवाली
अपने परिवार के साथ वक्त बिताइएगा बहुत ही प्यारा उत्सव है दिवाली का तो लेकिन ये सही कह रही हैं पटाखे ज़्यादा मत फोड़िए क्योंकि वैसे भी हमारे शहर में बहुत धूल मिट्टी है मिट्टी कम थोड़ी धूल ज़्यादा तो बेटर टू अवॉइड द पटाखे
स्वच्छ भारत प्रमोट करने वाला है
स्वच्छ भारत
बाय थैंक यू कैसे करें एग्जिट
Okay. Oh, man. Okay, that guy.
ये हो जाए वीडियो My mom. She's the most important woman in my life, and I really love her. And yeah, I mean, she's the one who's given me all the adarsh and everything in life, and I really follow her. Whatever she's taught me, and she's the only, she's the woman I really adore. I'm really excited for Vogue Woman of the Year award, and I'm really looking forward to the show. My first, the first time that I went to Vogue, which was the Men of the Year award, there I won the Heartthrob of the Year award over there, so it was very exciting, and I was really happy. And so it's been a great experience with Vogue, and I wish to continue that. बहुत मायने रखता है मेरे लिए वोग के मंच पे आना ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है हम एक्टर्स के लिए सभी के लिए एंड स्पेशली यहाँ पे जहाँ पे विमेन को इनको सराहा जा रहा है उनके टैलेंट के लिए उनके काम के लिए तो ये बहुत अच्छा मंच है एंड ऐसे इनिशिएटिव पे जाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है और उसका पार्ट होना और भी एक्साइटिंग होता है अरे वो सब रूमर्स है एंड मतलब मैं अगर ऐसा होता तो मैं बिल्कुल भाग के कॉफ़ी पीता एंड उसके आपने अगर सही से पढ़ेंगे तो वो मेरे बारे में नहीं था विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी दिवाली ऑल द फैंस एंड फॉलोअर्स थैंक यू
Hello. Thank you so much. Well, I'm wearing a dress by Julian McDonald. Today's a dedication to women. So I think everyone's really glamorously dressed up. And it feels really good to be here. Wow, my God, I have many very important women in my life. So I cannot name one because that would be my mom, my sister, and of course my daughter. Well, honestly, I just like to wish both the happy couples all the very best and all the happiness in life. Yes. Hi everyone, this is Karisma Kapoor and I would want to wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. Thank you.
Hi guys, how's it going? All good? I can see the जाने पहचाने चेहरे नजर आ रहे हैं. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's Women's Award, and I think, in any case, women are performing quite well in every field, and it's amazing to come and be a part of a women-centric award. And of course, I'm also going to give an award to a very special person, which we'll find out in a bit. Yeah, my wife, of course, is Karwa Chauth. Of course, not only for filmmaking, for other industries as well. I think 2018 has been quite a happy year, and especially from the past 3-4 months, the kind of business film industry has done, it has made up for the losses of a couple of years. So I think all the good films coming our way, me as an audience, I think we are enjoying all the films, and hopefully 2019 is going to be equally good. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Apar Shakti Khurana. Wish you all a very, very happy and safe Diwali. Hi guys, my name is Apar Shakti Khurana and wish you a very happy and a safe Diwali. Yeah, thank you so much guys. Thank you. कैसे निकले? Just a second, sorry guys.
I'm wearing Joanna Ortiz, and Anita styled me. I'm very excited. My mother and my grandmother. I'm very excited. Andhadhun is a proper super success, and Bazaar is also gaining amazing response. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. We worked hard on the projects. Hopefully, climbing up the ladder. Well, I wish you a very happy Diwali. Spend the time with your family and friends. Don't go to work and have a pollution-free Diwali. Please don't burn firecrackers. So sorry.
bite.
I'm on your right. On your right, ma'am. On your right. Yeah, thank you.
अरे छोड़ेगा
मैम इधर भी
इधर नहीं देखे मैम ऐसा बोलना थैंक यू अरे कौन रतर फैला दिया
ये चाहिए क्या नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए जी में नहीं चलता है
ये जी नहीं चलता
आयुष्मान सर लेफ्ट में
राइट में सर यहाँ पे भी विजुअल्स जी
From your left to right.
Just bite.
Yeah, hi Sumit, how are you? Thank you. It feels great. It's quite an overwhelming experience because I'm glad my choices are working and they're resonating well with the audience. And two of the best films of 2018, I've got like Badhayu and Andhadhun. So it's quite surreal. I'm quite overwhelmed. I think we should celebrate womanhood every single day, in fact. And today I'm fasting for my wife, so I think it's a unique way of celebrating it. So I'm glad I'm part of this. I think my wife and my mother both have made a lot of difference in my life. And I've got objectivity from my wife and patience because of my mother. So dimples also because of my mother, so yeah, it's cool. I think I'm getting an award, let's see. Fingers crossed. I'm expecting lots of awards, but I'm glad the appreciation is there. Public appreciation is, that's what matters the most. Thank you. मैं हो आया वहाँ से बहुत मज़ा आया मैं और करण मतलब विक्की कौशल भी था साथ में तो हम तीनों ने बहुत धमाल किया है और काफ़ी अच्छी केमिस्ट्री थी हम तीनों की आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा देखकर सुमित रोमांस बहुत हुआ था फिल्म के अंदर तो आई थिंक वो बॉन्डिंग काफ़ी अच्छी थी तीनों पंजाबी से एक साथ बैठे हुए थे बहुत मज़ा आएगा हाँ सभी दर्शकों को दिवाली की बधाई हो अंधाधुन पटाखे ना चलाएं थैंक यू Of course. This side? Okay. गलत जा रहा है.
शुक्रिया।
मैम राइट राइट।
बच्चा साथ में जाता
Fatima on your right.
बाइट
अमित चाहिए क्या?
Good evening. धीरे बोलो.
Hi. Good evening. Yes, brilliant. Nothing, I'm just happy that amazing people are getting awards and I will be presenting somebody. So it's a great stage and people are getting appreciated for their work and for their successes. So I think it's a nice place to be in right now. Oh, there are so many people. And I think every woman should get an award because it's an achievement and everybody is doing so well. So yeah. हाँ, खाली 10 दिन बाकी है. बहुत बड़े बड़े बटरफ्लाइज. वो तो मार्केटिंग टीम डिसाइड करेगी, मैं तो बस एक्टर हूँ. Happy Diwali to everyone. Have a safe Diwali. Do not burst crackers and have amazing food and enjoy. Happy Diwali, guys. Have an amazing Diwali. Do not burst crackers and spend time with your family and friends. Thank you. Good night.
Good evening, how are you? Yes, this is the second edition, I believe. Yes, I wasn't here for the first one. अगर आप मुझसे सवाल पूछेंगे about Women of the Year, this is the first one I'm attending. तो शो के बाद मुझसे मिलिए. मैं उन लोगों में से नहीं हूँ जो बिलीव करते हैं कि सेलिब्रेट वुमेन वंस अ ईयर, सेलिब्रेट वुमेन ऑन वुमेंस डे, पर ये बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है कि मैगजीन लाइक वोग, अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक वोग, they are celebrating women and I'm looking forward to a very, very glamorous, beautiful evening ahead. Hi everyone, this is Mandira Bedi and I'm wishing all of you a very, very happy Diwali and a very safe and pollution-free one. Lots of love.
Ma'am, straight here. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, straight here. One more here, ma'am, straight. Ma'am, just
Thank you.
one more, sir. Sir, here.
कॉमेडी
अरे अच्छी खासी फिल्म
रहमान इसका कैमरा चला गया ना
सर एक साथ एक साथ Sir, right side.
आलिया मैम राइट में भी, आलिया मैम राइट में,
सर मैम
थैंक यू मैम। Oh my God!
दुर्गेश भाई लाइट जलाना।
सामने एकदम सामने सामने
आलिया मैम राइट में भी,
सर राइट में सर मैम थैंक यू मैम आपका जोर।
अच्छा और सही करो आपको आप प्लस बोलो।
अभी मैं ये करके मैम सामने अले मैम लेफ्ट साइड में अले मैम सामने अले मैम यहाँ पे अले स्ट्रेट
आलिया जी राइट, मैम राइट में प्लीज, आलिया जी राइट भी,
अलिया मैम ये अलिया यहाँ पे अलिया सामने एकदम सामने अलिया मैम देखो सामने मैम ओके अभी ये करना है ना।
जी जी जी
थैंक यू जी थैंक यू सो मच। आई एम वेयरिंग रोबोटो कवाली और आई थिंक कट्योर, रोबोटो कवाली कट्योर बहुत ही स्पेशल आउटफिट है ये, सो आई एम फीलिंग वेरी ऑनर्ड एंड इन वोग टू बी वेयरिंग इट। और हाँ काफ़ी टाइम लगा ऐसे तैयार होके नीचे आने में, तो अभी आई एम हैप्पी टू जस्ट फाइनली वॉक द रेड कार्पेट। I think I'm getting an award. I hope I'm getting an award. But even if I'm not getting an award, it's okay. It's nice to dress up one night and come. I think my most important woman in my life, I don't have one woman in my life. There's so many women behind my life that really make my life so much more easier. My mother, my sister, my manager who's sitting right here and trying to take beautiful pictures of me, my makeup artist, my hairstylist, everybody. They're all women, and my PR representative. They're all women and they're all fabulous, and they not only make my year, they also make my life. So I'm very, very grateful and thankful to them. Thank you. Happy Diwali, please. Patake mat phodna. The dogs feel very upset. I'm talking about animals again, but karna padta hai. And please be safe, but have a happy Diwali. Who isn't?
Ma'am, right.
On your right. And straight. Somewhere exactly. Go and go. Ma'am, somewhere. One more. On your right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Done. Working it.
तुम्हारा राइट में लेफ्ट कॉर्नर यहाँ पे both of you left corner यहाँ पे थोड़ा अवार्ड को कीजिए ना अवार्ड दिखाइए ना सर थोड़ा एंड लास्ट हमारे कैमरेस को नहीं मिला थोड़ा सा आप दोनों साथ में जी सर बस स्माइल राइट स्माइल खेला स्माइल आप भी कुछ खाइए पीजिए जाके बहुत जरूरी है आप लोगों के लिए मैं पानी पूरा
Thank you so much, Sumit.
See how much people love you.
I want to breathe. Yes, hello. Sir. Thank you. It is a happy evening. Very. How did you know? Yeah. You've seen my stories. So, it was an amazing evening. I think celebrating women is definitely a very, very important event, and the women that we celebrated today were so full of substance and so beautiful and so courageous and inspiring, and it was just amazing to just be in their presence and watch them win their awards because they've been doing some amazing work. A lot of girls. I think the girls who've really spoken up this year, I think the girls who've been brave, courageous, the girls who've worked towards women empowerment, who've done their bit towards women empowerment have been definitely my heroes.
क्या बोला? Thank you. Yeah, I think it's actually just important that people stand together. I think it's important that people understand the issue at hand. If it's something that is as important as women's safety, and I'm not just talking about in our workplace, but in society. So many great women spoke today as well. I think it's important that, you know, we concentrate on finding solutions for it, and we understand the seriousness of it instead of trying to sensationalize it. Yeah, I think that's important. For me, it's about giving across that message that we want solutions and we want to actually make our society a better place for everyone. You missed me? So, I don't care about anyone else. I'm just so happy that you missed me. So yeah, and I heard you were coming here today, and that's why only I came here. Yeah. Yeah, Lamborghini.
And one last thing.
Yes.
Festival which is synonymous with sparkling Diwali is coming.
Yay!
Recognition of rules for it.
Absolutely. Hi, मैं हूँ Jacqueline Fernandez, or I would love to wish all of y'all a very, very happy Diwali and make it happy and make it positive and make it meaningful. Thank you, guys.
सामने सर यहाँ सर यहाँ पे सर इधर सर सर थैंक यू सर यहाँ पे सर राइट साइड सर सर ये निशान सर इधर दूसरा निशान अभी हाँ हाँ सर यहाँ सर नीचे बस इधर देखिए सामने मैं बता रहा सर स्ट्रेट सर स्ट्रेट सर सामने चले जाओ गिर जाएगा सर सामने सर ये सर देखिए सर यहाँ पे सर ऊपर ऑलमोस्ट सर 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 या Yes. Dari इस तरह. Yes, sir. Oh, oh. इधर देखिए. मैम स्ट्रेट हियर. मैम एकदम सामने. Just hold. मैम यहाँ पे साइड में. मैम स्ट्रेट. मैम हियर. मैम स्ट्रेट. One more. मैम हियर. Sir, सामने सर. Yeah, both of you are so man straight. Ma'am, sir, yeah, left side. One more. Straight here. Sir, yeah. Sir, yeah, ma'am. Sir, one here. Both of you here. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, your right. Yeah. Yeah. Here, look up. Ma'am, नीचे देखिए. Ma'am, just hold straight here. Yeah. Ma'am, here, ma'am. One more straight, ma'am. Ma'am, इधर look कीजिए. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, this side, big. This side. Someone send me this video on Instagram.
Excuse me, ma'am, straight here. Yeah. Look straight. Here.
Yeah. Madam जी नीचे देखिए इधर.
One more, ma'am.
Yeah.
Straight. Yeah, straight.
Yeah.
Straight here, ma'am.
मैडम जी इधर देखिए.
Last one here, ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am, come here. And here.
And this one.
And here. And यहाँ पे. And here ये क्या हुआ?
Ma'am, look straight. Just hold.
Yes, left side. Corner.
One more here, ma'am.
And here.
Ma'am, your sector. Ma'am, just now.
And left side. And left corner.
Ma'am, here, ma'am.
Madam, इस side में. Thank you.
Ma'am, center,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
here. Ma'am, नीचे लेके नीचे. Yeah.
Ma'am, here. Ma'am, आपके right में.
चलिए जी इधर देखिए मैम सामने की तरफ. चलिए मैम ये.
One more right, ma'am. Ma'am, straight here, ma'am. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, straight, ma'am.
मैम सामने एकदम.
One more here, ma'am. Last one.
सामने एकदम.
Straight here, ma'am.
ये विनय कौन देखने आए थे पहले
सामने.
जल्दी जा कौन देख
Ma'am, straight. Just one more, last.
कोई डाउट हो तो बता देना भाई अभी
Yeah. Both of you are straight. Ma'am, sir. One more. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. The left side. One more.
Yeah. Yeah.
Center. Ma'am, your right side here. One corner. Ma'am, here.
Ma'am, your right.
Ma'am, your left corner. Ma'am, just hold here. Ma'am, here. Excuse me, both of you are right side.
Yeah.
One more here, ma'am.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Second.
Yeah.
Stadium, ma'am, sir. One more. Ma'am, sir.
इधर मैडम इधर. सामने देखिए. सामने एक बार.
Sir, straight here, sir. Sir, सामने.
सर सामने देखिए सामने.
Sir, one more straight, sir. Sir, here.
सर यहाँ पे. सर यहाँ पे.
Sir, यहाँ पे. Sir, here.
Sir, thank you.
Sir, right side. Sir, right side. Second one.
सर इधर देखिए.
Sir, straight, sir.
और कहाँ पे रहते हो?
सामने देखिए एकदम.
Sir, एकदम सामने.
Left side.
सर ऑन योर राइट
सर यहाँ पे भी एक. Go straight. Left side. Ma'am, straight here.
Thank you.
Ma'am, straight. Ma'am, left side. Ma'am, here, ma'am. Ma'am, left side. One more here, ma'am. Ma'am, left side here. Ma'am, look straight here. Ma'am, here, left side. Ma'am, left corner here. Yeah. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
थोड़ा सा मैम here. Excuse me, ma'am. Straight here, ma'am. Center. Ma'am, straight here. Center. One more. Ma'am, one more. Center. Here, ma'am. Excuse me. Center.
बोल रहा हूँ मैं
Ready, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, ready. Look here. One more, ma'am. Ma'am, your right side. One more. Yeah. Ma'am, your right side. Yes. Ma'am, look. Yeah. Straight here, man. Here. Excuse me. Sir, straight here. सामने. Sir, one more here. सामने एकदम सामने. सामने. Sir, left corner. Yes. So straight here. So here. So last one. Sir, यहाँ पे भी. जी. Thank you. थोड़े से सेकंड भागते मैम स्ट्रेट मैम एक्सक्यूज मी सामने देखिए राइट साइड सामने मैडम जी सामने मैम यो सेकंड मैम सेकंड look here, Thank you. Yeah. One more, ma'am. Sir, your second mark. Sir, your second mark. The second mark, sir. Sir, here. Both of us steady, ma'am, sir. One more, ma'am. That's the first mark. सामने सामने एकदम सर स्ट्रेट है सर राइट सर एकदम सामने सर सामने सर इधर सर राइट पे आपके सर इधर देखिए सर इधर सर स्ट्रेट Sir, here. Karan sir, नीचे सामने. One more sir.
Sir, video camera.
Sir, down there.
Karan sir,
right.
Sir, video.
आगे. Sir, एकदम समोर. Sir, समोर एकदम. Sir. Sir, here. Sir, इकडे. Sir, इकडे नीचे इकडे sir. Ma'am, here center. Ma'am, यहाँ पे. Ma'am, straight. Yes.
Video के लिए thank you.
I'm just ma'am straight. Second bye. सामने एकदम राइट साइड वेट दिस कॉलम मैम ये सामने मैम स्टेडी मैम वन मोर स्ट्रेट मैम द फोर मैम यहाँ पे मैडम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैम यहाँ पे देखिए मैम सामने मैम सर स्टेडी है सर वन मोर सर यहाँ पे मैम जस्ट होल्ड मैम मैम स्टेडी मैम here one more मैम एकदम सामने होनी या सामने मैम स्टेडी मैम एकदम सामने यहाँ पे मोनी या एकदम सामने सामने मैम स्ट्रेट है मैडम जी मैं सेकंड मैम स्ट्रेट है मैडम जी वन मोर स्ट्रेट मैम स्ट्रेट यो एक्सक्यूज मी होल्ड
अरे आप लोग
किया ना थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू सामने राइट साइड एक बार सर सामने सर राइट साइड सामने
नहीं यार वही तो मैं देख रहा हूँ
सर सेकंड मार्क
बैटरी लगता है क्या बैटरी दे
सर स्ट्रेट है सर सर इधर देखिए सर सामने सर एकदम यहाँ सर स्ट्रेट सर यहाँ ऊपर सर इधर सर यहाँ पे सर यहाँ सर इस तरफ
हमारे जल्दी पहुँचने का
फोटो पे लुकियो सर एकदम सामने या बॉटम स्टेडियम वन मोर अभिषेक सर यहाँ
समझ रहा हूँ आपकी भावनाओं को
सर इस टाइम
अपनी लाइट वो क्यों देगा अपनी बैटरी वो क्यों देगा उसको भी तो यूज करना है
मैम स्टेडियम मैडम जी इधर सामने देखिए मैडम जी नीचे इधर नुसरत आप यहाँ पे मैम सेकंड स्टेडियम मैम सामने सामने राइट वन मोर सेंटर राइट मैम सामने एकदम हम राइट साइड मैम ये राइट साइड ये मैम वन मोर राइट मैडम इधर देखिए मैम स्टेड हियर ये
सामने ये राइट साइड जी सामने वेट वेट
ये जी सेंटर में लेके आइए
ये जी सामने एकदम
एंड योर राइट सेंटर मैम स्ट्रेट हियर जस्ट मैम स्ट्रेट मैम जस्ट होल्ड
या वन लुक या
मैम सामने एकदम रिया जी इस तरफ नहीं देखिए आप
सॉरी
फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट जी मैम
सामने एकदम लेफ्ट साइड
मैम सामने
सामने आप एकदम सामने
मैम राइट साइड
मैम सामने
मैम सेकंड मार्क मैडम इधर देखिए मैम सामने मैम जस्ट
वेलकम मैम बरकत जी यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड
एकदम स्ट्रेट मैम
एकदम सामने यहाँ पे बरकत जी यहाँ पे सामने
मैम स्ट्रेट हियर मैम स्ट्रेट हियर
लेफ्ट में कौन अरे इधर सामने एकदम सामने
मैडम इधर सेंटर देखिए
एकदम सामने
मैम लुक स्ट्रेट मैडम इधर इधर नीचे
सेंटर में डाउन में
या
यहाँ पे
मैम सामने एकदम वन मोर
यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड
मैम यहाँ नहीं देखा यहाँ पे वन मोर मैम मैम स्ट्रेट बोतल स्ट्रेट सेंटर मैम स्ट्रेट एक्सक्यूज मी मैम वन मोर मैम लास्ट मैम स्ट्रेट
सामने
मैम इधर देखिए
सामने एकदम सामने
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैडम राइट साइड मैम स्ट्रेट हियर
मैम हासिल मैम सामने एकदम
इधर देखिए सामने मैम योर राइट साइड सामने मैम राइट साइड हियर मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
मैम सामने एकदम
मैम स्ट्रेट हियर
विनी जी यहाँ पे ऊपर मैम यहाँ पे राइट साइड
मैम स्ट्रेट हियर
यहाँ पे
वन मोर स्ट्रेट मैम
मैम यहाँ पे
मैम स्ट्रेट
ऊपर ऊपर मैम लेफ्ट साइड इधर
मैडम इधर
मैम यो मैम
बाइट
जानवी जानवी सामने एकदम यस
राइट साइड सेंटर
राइट साइड में
अरे हाँ हाँ कर ली
जानवी मैम यहाँ पे
मैम सामने
जानवी सेंटर ऊपर जानवी जानवी आप जानवी वन
मैम स्ट्रेट मैम सामने जानवी इस तरफ ईशान
एकदम सामने ऊपर
या बोतम स्ट्रेट हियर मैम वन मोर
करिश्मा जी राइट साइड
मैम राइट मैम करिश्मा जी इधर देखिए मैम राइट साइड मैम राइट साइड करिश्मा मैम हियर
करिश्मा जी राइट
मैडम जी इधर
मैम it's my first crack at that.
एकदम सामने हो ये अच्छा
मैम एकदम सामने आपके स्ट्रेट हियर मैम इधर देखिए वन मोर स्ट्रेट मैम
I mean, I've been like, every audience member who's been watching that show is born ready to hit that hit. Who doesn't want that?
कार्तिक राइट साइड
कार्तिक राइट
कार्तिक यार राइट साइड
या
करिश्मा जी एक जानवी के साथ एक फोटो करिश्मा जी साइड में राइट साइड
सामने
राइट साइड
अरे अनिता अरे मैम स्ट्रेट हियर मैम सामने वन मोर मैडम इधर देखिए मैम स्ट्रेट हियर मैम रोलिंग
I cannot name one because there are mom, my sister, of course my daughter.
सेकंड मार्क सर सामने सर स्ट्रेट हियर सर स्ट्रेट सर वन मोर
Hi everyone.
here
And I would want to wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. Thank you so much.
चलेगा उसको मैं फॉर्मेट मारूंगा जी मेरा भी तो भरने वाला है ना किसी को फॉर्मेट
राधिका जी इधर इधर समोर एकदम समोर मैडम जी इधर नीचे देखिए राधिका राइट मैम राधिका मैम एकदम समोर मैम स्ट्रेट ये मैम मैडम इधर नीचे देखिए मैम ये मैम राधिका मैम ये राधिका मैम इस साइड मैम इधर right side. So, ma'am. All of you right. So, you.
And have a pollution-free Diwali, please don't.
Second mark. Sir. Second mark. Come close. Ma'am. Yeah, straight here. Yeah, thank you. Right side. Straight here, sir. यहाँ पे. Sir, look straight, sir. Excuse me. Sir, इधर देखिए. Sir, straight here, sir. इधर. Sir, इधर. Sir, just one, sir. Sir, look straight, sir. Sir, इधर. One more. Sir, इधर भी देखिए. मैम भाई इधर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक. ये तो पूछ लिया यहाँ से यार. मैम आप आइए. Your right side. Have your right side here. One more. Your right side here. Left corner here. Left side here. मैम सामने. मैम look straight. मैम straight. मैम look straight. Here. Excuse me. Left side. मैम one more here. मैडम जी इधर देखिए. Excuse me. मैम
एकदम सामने एकदम सामने देखिए मैम सामने मैम राइट साइड सामने राइट साइड जी राइट साइड में इधर इधर अभी एकदम सामने मैम लुक स्ट्रेट हियर इधर देखिए मैम स्ट्रेट सामने थैंक यू गाइस बाय बाय